Let's talk about bees. When a bee is flying, it's flapping its wings so fast that it's losing some electrons to the surrounding air. Kind of like when you rub a balloon on your hair, it stands up, just like that. So when a bee is flying, it's losing some electrons to the air, and as a result, it is positively charged. It's lost some negative electrons. Now it approaches a flower to sip the nectar, and the flower has some pollen which is negatively charged. So as the bee is sipping the nectar, that pollen jumps onto the fur of the bee, and in the process it discharges the electrical charge of the flower. So far so good. So the bee goes on, and that's how pollination happens. But flying is very expensive for the bee. It's spending a lot of energy. So it needs to go to a flower that another bee has not visited yet, because otherwise there'll be no nectar in the flower. So the bee is highly sensitive to electrochemical charges. It can sense the charge on the flower. And if it does not sense a negative charge from the flower, it knows that that flower some other bee has already visited, so it does not go there. Pretty smart.